Good morning. Today's smoothie is Cranberry Peach Sunrise, and the green is nothing but romaine. So this ought to taste real interesting. Well, hopefully we managed to catch all the leaves this time. Give her a look. Nope, don't see any odd leaves. Just hanging on a blade somewhere. Oh. Looking more purpley this time. And pouring very nicely. There's a little bit left over. Under most circumstances, the picture of the recipe matches the recipe, but since this was a free publication, free PDF, they decided to just kind of go into stock footage. That's Rocky in the background. And the funny thing is, none of these ingredients appear in this particular recipe. And of course, looks nothing, no shade of green whatsoever. There is no cucumber, there is no avocado, there's no kiwi, no broccoli, and well, the spinach makes an appearance, but not in this particular recipe. Yeah. See if Rocky's willing to talk to me while. There he is. He's on the bottom. Well, we'll give this thing a taste. There you are. Hi. You want to say something? No? This one's actually okay. Very tart, and of course the dominant flavor is lemon and romaine. And of course here comes Annabelle. She likes to clean up after Rocky. Yes, he does. Oh, okay. Yeah, who's a cutie? Who's a cutie patootie? Yes. Oh, okay. You want me to pet you? You want me to stop filming you and pet you? Let's give this thing one more taste. Yeah, it is pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yes, it is. It is very good. Oh no, it's not very good. It's kind of, it's okay. But as usual, the recipe will be down in the description. Please subscribe. Or check out the rest of the smoothies. And that's Annabelle cleaning up some of the things that Rocky threw out of his cage. She likes to eat some of that. And there's Rocky being kind of irritated at the fact that Annabelle is right there. And of course he's chewing up cardboard, and what's at the bottom of the cage is the various chunks of cardboard boxes and papers he has chewed up. I'll see you folks tomorrow, probably a little later than normal. You have a great day.